Ever get tired of manually selecting the next video to watch? AutoPlay makes life easier by automatically playing the next video, so you can sit back and enjoy without interruptions. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn it on in just a few simple steps. But before we jump in, make sure to subscribe. I post helpful tech tips like this all the time, so if you want to stay updated and make the most of your YouTube experience, hit that subscribe button now. Alright, let's get straight to it. Turning on AutoPlay on YouTube is super simple, and I'll show you how in just a few steps. 1. Open the YouTube app on your phone or go to youtube.com on your browser. 2. Tap on U in the bottom right corner. 3. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right to open settings. 4. Scroll down and select playback settings. 5. At the very top, you'll see the AutoPlay option. If it's turned off, simply switch it on. And that's it. Now when you finish watching a video, YouTube will automatically play the next one for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.